Hey everyone. Imagine turning simple prompts into stunning, fully functional dashboards in seconds. No coding required. Databricks' new dashboard authoring agent is revolutionizing AI BI workflows, and in this video, I'll demo its power and limitations live. Powered by Databricks Assistant in agent mode, this tool lets you create, edit, and lay out entire dashboards using natural language, like saying, build a sales dashboard with revenue trends, top customers, and regional pie charts, and boom, it generates the queries, visualizations, filters, and layouts automatically from your SQL warehouses or Unity catalog data. It's integrated with Ask Genie for drilling into insights, and the output is production-ready, shareable, schedulable, even embeddable. So smash that subscribe button and let's jump into the demo. As a prerequisite, head over to the Preview section in your Databricks workspace and toggle on the Dashboard Authoring Agent if it's still in beta or public preview. Next, create a blank dashboard canvas and open the Dashboard Agent Assistant. Make sure Agent Mode is enabled for dashboard authoring. Alright, now we're ready to create dashboards with prompts. First, I'll ask the agent to build a performance dashboard using the sample NYC taxi trips dataset. I want it to include KPIs for total trips and average fares, hourly trend lines, and a breakdown by passenger count. We can even prompt it to generate meaningful visuals like heat maps or forecasts that deliver real business insights on demand, such as peak demand hours or fare optimization opportunities. Instantly, it begins thinking and sharing its step-by-step plan. It generates the required SQL code and datasets, and magically the visuals start appearing on the page in real time. After just a few seconds, 3 new page tabs pop up: the Overview, Geographic Analysis, and Trip Analysis. Next, let's ask it to analyze the table schema for insights into available columns, suggest 3 additional KPIs like drop-off locations or payment types, and reorganize the dashboard into 2 column layouts with KPIs pinned at the top. This showcases the real value, an AI that not only builds fast but iterates intelligently, unlocking endless possibilities for dynamic, insight-driven dashboards tailored to any business need. Once it's done, I can see it's added those additional KPIs to the Overview tab and neatly reorganized the other tabs as requested. Next, I'll ask it to create a new tab called Peak Demand and Revenue with a heat map of average fare by pickup hour and zip code, plus a bar chart of total fare amount by pickup hour, then summarize potential surge pricing opportunities based on higher than average fares. This is where the business value shines. The agent instantly crafts customized revenue-focused visuals from complex data, spotting actionable insights like peak hour hotspots that could boost profits through dynamic pricing, proving how tailored prompts generate bespoke analytics that drive real decisions. No data team backlogs required. Keep in mind that this feature is in beta and will only improve over time, so it might have initial limitations or need extra prompts to nail the perfect result. Compared to mature tools like Power BI, Databricks dashboards shine in AI creation, but lag with inflexible tables, SQL filter bugs, cumbersome multi-source filtering, limited visuals, and rigid SQL-only aggregations. Nevertheless, it does an impressive job building the needed visuals. Notice it's created the Peak Demand and Revenue tab, plus strategic recommendations for surge pricing opportunities. This directly empowers business decisions by surfacing data-driven strategies like targeting high-fare zones, slashing analysis time from days to minutes without needing to write a single line of code or having dashboard design skills. Let's give it one more task before we wrap up. I'll ask it to analyze the trips for unusual patterns and add a chart highlighting the top 10 outlier trips by distance to fare ratio with a brief explanation of potential fraud or data quality issues. Then, create a new page called Executive Summary explaining the key insights and providing 3 prioritized recommendations for NYC taxi operations. This final push demonstrates the agent's depth. It uncovers hidden risks like fraudulent rides, while distilling complex analysis into crisp, executive-ready summaries, empowering leaders with prioritized, actionable strategies to optimize operations, cut losses, and boost efficiency in real time. I want to call out that I had to keep prompting it on every page to make things visually appealing, with professional designs, colors, spacing, and layouts that pop. In some cases, it was able to apply these changes, but in others, it was unable to, like for example, changing the background color of a KPI visual. This highlights the value and need for agent skills and instructions baked under the hood, like embedding corporate color palettes, F-pattern layouts, KPI hierarchies, compliant typography, and clutter-free standards natively. Imagine if Databricks built in these pro design capabilities, no manual tweaks needed, instantly generating pixel-perfect, branded, boardroom-ready dashboards for anyone, saving design teams hours while delivering enterprise-grade, polished, and mobile responsiveness every time. Well, there you have it, the completed NYC Taxi Operations Analytics Executive Report, with an executive summary, overview tab, peak and demand, revenue, graphic analysis, trip analysis, and data quality pages, all built from simple prompts in minutes. This showcases the agent's insane power, turning raw data into insight-packed multi-tab dashboards with KPIs, trends, heat maps, outliers, and even strategic recommendations, democratizing advanced analytics for anyone, slashing build time from days to seconds, and surfacing the business gold like surge pricing ops or fraud flags. But it's beta, so limitations persist. Layouts need tweaks, visuals lack some Power BI polish, think inflexible tables or SQL quirks, and it's not ready to migrate full Power BI reports yet. Stick to Power BI for complex filtering, custom tables, or mature interactivity. Use this for rapid prototyping, iterative BI on Databricks, data lakes, or sparking ideas. Pair it with Power BI for production when you need pixel-perfect enterprise reporting. It's perfect for data teams exploring Unity catalog sources fast. Well, that's all for this one. Smash that subscribe button for more data and AI demos. Thanks for watching.